Hello friends, today we are making an experiment. Its name is Fizzy Magic Potion. So for that the equipments are, here I have two cups. I have taken 20 ml of water in this measuring cup. I have spatula or you can say spoon. This is a stirring stick. Then I have taken colors. I have taken yellow and blue. Then I have baking soda and citric acid. And here below I have spread a messy mat. It is said a messy mat because it is an explosive science, so it might get spread over. So I have spread this. So let's begin. So here I have taken two cups. So in one of the cups I'm gonna pour this 25 ml of water. I'm gonna pour this 25 ml of water in one of the cups. Then I will add 2 drops of blue color in only one water. In only the first this cup, and again yellow color. Both yellow and blue colors I'm gonna add in the water only. Now in the second cup I'm gonna use the spatula and I'm gonna add 1 scoop of citric acid. I'm gonna add 1 scoop of citric acid in the second cup. Like this. And now I'm gonna just spread it. Then 1 scoop of baking soda. I'm gonna use this spoon or spatula to add the same. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix it a bit like this. Like this. Now I have mixed it well. Now you can see my water is in green color. So this green color water I'm gonna add in this. You can see how it is coming, how it is fizzing. It looks great. Right? See. You can still see the water fizzing. It is still fizzing. You can try this experiment with different color combinations. So in this, what we see is when we pour the water into the cup, we see this water fizzing. And when the explosion settled down, we saw bubbles coming in. And the science behind this is, when citric acid and baking soda are mixed in water, a chemical reaction takes place. The fizz that we saw are bubbles of carbon dioxide gas being released. This same kind of fizz can be observed when a soft drink bottle is opened. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.